Please disconnect external power.
Roger, disconnecting the GPU. Captain, the GPU is now disconnected.
Thank you. Before start procedure.
Okay. Captain, it looks like we still have a door open.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the takeoff brief?
Go ahead.
Okay, we have no MEL issues today. I will be the pilot flying. It will be a standard takeoff using NADP-1, and we will be flexing to 9 degrees. We will use config 1 for takeoff. Runway condition is dry. As for anti-ice, it's not required. The packs will be on. We'll use standard calls today. At or below 100 knots, I'll reject for any warnings. Below V1, I will only reject for an engine failure, a fire of any kind, a configuration warning, or anything I deem will adversely affect the safety of the aircraft. I will reject the takeoff by calling stop. If you could, monitor that the auto brakes have activated and that the spoilers have deployed. Once we stop, if there's a fire, I'll position that side of the aircraft to be downwind and we'll evacuate through the open side. I'll advise the cabin and you talk to ATC. Above V1, we'll take the aircraft into the air and sort it out there and decide if we need to return to the airfield. If you notice anything amiss during the takeoff roll, please notify me. Any questions?
Okay, that's checked and no questions.
Takeoff brief complete.
Okay, I'm out for the... I'm back from the walk around, everything looks good.
Before start checklist to the line.
Before start checklist, down to the line. Cockpit prep.
Completed.
Completed. Gears, pins, and covers.
Removed.
Signs.
On.
ADIRS.
Nav.
Fuel quantity.
7.3 thousand pounds.
Takeoff data.
Set.
Aero-ref.
2992 set.
2992 set. Okay, before start checklist, completed to the line.
Hey, Captain. The agents want to start sending people out. Can we start boarding?
Yes.
Okay, I'll let them know.
May I take your food, please? Thank you. May I take your food, please? Thank you.
Before start checklist below the line.
Before start checklist below the line. Windows and doors.
Closed.
Closed. Beacon.
On.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
Parking brake.
Set.
Before start checklist complete.
Hi, Captain. The passenger boarding is complete, and I've got the load sheet here for you when you're ready.
Thank you.
Have a safe flight.
Boston Ground, Orbit 8037. Request taxi to the gate. Orbit 8037, taxi to the gate, Charlie 26, via taxiway, Foxtrot Alpha. Taxi to gate, Charlie 26, using taxiway, Foxtrot Alpha. Orbit 8037.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board today. As you locate your assigned seats, please place your smaller items under the seat in front of you to provide more room for larger items in our overhead compartments. If you need assistance, contact a flight attendant. If you are unable to accommodate any item in the cabin, please bring it to the boarding door and we will check it for you. Also, review the safety instruction card in your seat pocket. If you are seated at an exit seat, also review the exit seating criteria.
Ground and cockpit.
Go ahead.
Alright, Captain, we're removing the jetway now.
Thank you.
Alright guys, everyone's seated, we're all buttoned up and ready to go in the back.
Thank you.
If you need anything, just let me know.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback. Departure check completed. Pipe has been inserted. Release parking brakes. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Starting engine 2.
Boston ground, world travel 6851. Request taxi to gate. World travel 6851. Taxi to gate Bravo East using taxiway November Alpha. Taxi to gate Bravo East using taxiway November Alpha. World travel 6851.
Starting engine 1.
Set parking brakes. Tow truck disconnected. Bypass being removed.
You're cleared to disconnect and go to hand signals.
Alright, you'll have a safe flight.
Thank you. After start procedure. After start procedure.
Check. Flaps 1 plus F.
Flight control check.
Left is
Ready?
clear. Right.
Full
Once
left.
again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on
Full
board our
right.
flight today. This is the
Neutral.
flight attendant speaking.
Full up.
Please direct your attention to the cabin
Full
crew
down.
for important safety
Neutral.
information.
After start
There is an
checklist.
instruction card in
Okay,
your seat
after
pocket
start
that
checklist.
illustrates the safety
Anti-ice.
equipment
Off.
on this
Heat
aircraft.
cam status.
Check.
Regulations
Pitch trim.
require
Set.
compliance with this
Rudder
information
trim.
as well as all
Zero.
crew instructions,
After start
lighted
checklist complete.
information signs, and posted placards.
Clear on the left.
Fasten your
Clear on the
seatbelt
right.
by inserting the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the belt. To release your seatbelt, lift the metal flap on the buckle. It is our policy that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. Doors are clearly marked
Before
with
takeoff
exit signs and
checklist to the line.
instructions for door operation.
Before takeoff checklist down to the line.
Each door is equipped
Flight
with an
controls.
escape slide.
Check.
Locate the exit
Check.
nearest you. The nearest exit may be behind you.
Brake check.
Ready?
In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle.
Before takeoff,
The
check
cabin
the
is
line.
pressurized. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, a panel will
Checked.
open and oxygen mask
Flight
will
instruments.
appear.
Check.
Remain seated
Checked.
with your seatbelt fastened
Briefing.
and pull a mask
Confirmed.
toward you to start the
Flap
box.
setting.
Oxygen will be
Config
flowing
1
to the
plus F.
mask even though the bag may not
Config 1
inflate.
plus F.
Cover your nose
V1
and mouth
VR
with the mask,
V2
place
flex
the
temp.
elastic band around your head
133,
and tighten by pulling on the end.
139,
Secure your own mask
flex
before
temp.
assisting others.
49 degrees
Your
set.
seat bottom cushion may be used as a flotation
Set.
device. Pull up
V1
and remove
is
the cushion.
1,
Upon exiting
3,
the aircraft,
3.
place your arms around the cushion and hold on to
V-rotate
the
is
straps located
1,
on the back.
3,
This is a non-smoking flight.
V2
Smoking
is
is not permitted
1,
in the cabin or
3,
lavatories.
9,
Cabin
and
lights
for
will now
the
be
flex
turned off.
temp we
Reading light
have
buttons are
4,
located above your
9
seat. Thank you for
degrees.
your attention.
ATC.
Set.
ECAM memo.
Takeoff, no blue.
Before takeoff checklist complete to the line. Flight deck. Okay, thanks for letting me know. Captain, the cabin is secure.
Cabin crew seats for departure.
Approaching 04 left.
Boston Tower, American 320, ready for departing straight out at runway 4 left.
American 320, cleared for takeoff, runway 4 left, departing straight out, cruise.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 4 left. American 320.
On runway 04 left.